Now we're just going to do a little layer. So right where she parts, we're just going to do a mohawk section. You grab a mohawk section. I do about 1 inch wide. You're going to pull it straight up, and this is where you want to angle cut. So here's this mohawk section. Okay, so I'm gonna leave about 1 inch out, and I'm going to turn my scissors at an angle, and I'm just going to make little V cuts. Okay, you wanna keep the hair like straight, but for video purposes, I'll show you what I'm doing. Just like that. Then I'm going to put that mohawk section to one side, and I'm going to take little sections and comb everything up to that mohawk section. Turn my scissors at an angle and cut. Then do another section. Now right here is where you want to make sure that you are not cutting the length. Sometimes the layers are shorter. Sometimes you'll start doing layers like right here, and if you cut straight across, then you'll cut the length, and that is a big no-no. So you want to make sure you find where the layers are, and you want to make sure you find where the bottom length is, which is right here. That is the bottom length. So a lot of times I'll just let that drop out, and then I'll come and cut the layers. And then you just take little sections all the way around the head, pivoting around the back, and doing the same thing.